Hey guys, it's the Pizza Artist. On today's video, we're at Costco. We're going to be making our own Bambino pizza starring the Costco pizza. We also bought a Poutine. I'm going to bake this at home. I'm going to put the Poutine on top. We're going to create our own special Bambino pizza here on the Pizza Artist. Welcome to our Costco, Barrie, Ontario. Alright, as you saw, we were just at Costco. And now we're going to make the special Costco Bambino pizza. Everybody knows that Babe Ruth used to love to put French fries on his pepperoni pizza. We're going to kick it up a notch. We're going to put Poutine on the pepperoni pizza. And Teresa even got us extra gravy. God bless her. Teresa, the Poutine looks a little cheesy on the...
It's Costco. I don't know why they have so...
It doesn't look like there's a lot of fries in there, Ta. Well, it doesn't matter. We're still going to enjoy, even if we put it on half. What do you think, Dad? Half the pizza?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to bake the pizza. The oven's on. We're going to put it on half because for some reason the Costco Poutine looks like not its regular. Anyway, it still looks good. Don't get me wrong, Costco. Don't cancel my membership. So we'll be right back. We're going to bake it. We're going to put the Poutine on the half. Teresa and I, we're going to put the extra gravy. I'm going to cut it and we're going to eat it. The Costco Bambino pizza, only here on the Pizza Artist. Starring Poutine with real Quebec cheese curds. Everybody, our pizza's ready. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna cut it. Our special Bambino Costco pizza, and we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna put hot sauce on. Oh, that's great, Tad. Look at that. Looks good. You know what I need as a gift for my birthday, even though it just passed? A pizza cutter. Should we let it cool off or cut it? The gravy's going to probably run through it. It smells good.
That looks very fattening.
Yeah. Well, we're not on a diet, that's for sure, if you eat this.
Oh, we aren't?
Well, you and I should be.
We should?
Yeah. Well, I should. I shouldn't say you, but I don't want to get in trouble. Wow, this slice here looks good. Holy smoke. Okay, Ta, I'm going to take a slice. I'm going to manja it. I got hot sauce for mine. Okay, I'm grabbing this one here, baby. What do you think?
Grab whatever one you want.
Huh?
Grab whatever one you want.
You're such a... Oh, did you see me splash that all over your furniture? Sorry, baby. That's why I love you so much. The people love you too, because you let me get away with a lot of stuff here at the Pizza Artist channel. So there we go. Our 1000 luminant lights, not very bright back there. Baby, the next house, can you design the kitchen with a lot more lights? All right, we're going to try this Costco Pepperoni Poutine, aka the Bambino pizza. It smells great. Wow, Tad, it's good. It's thick. Here we go.
Sauce.
We're gonna find out if I don't burn my mouth off. Oh, I love the pepperoni. Wow, that's good. Tad, what a combo. The poutine and the pepperoni, it's great. Salty with more salty and more salty. And more rich flavors. Mmm. It's hot. But it's very good. So the Costco, if you want to make a Costco Poutine Bambino special for yourself, thanks, Tad. It's very simple. You can even get the pizza already baked. When you go to Costco, get a poutine, you slap it on top, you cut it, and you eat it. That's the Costco Bambino pizza. Mmm. Oh. Very good. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And I hope you get a chance to try your very own Costco Bambino pizza. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks, Teresa. Ciao, Brio. What a pizza.